Let's turn these movie posters into horror. Starting with up. Let's import the original poster. Then we're gonna erase the old man, because we are going to turn him into a creepy monster. Can you guess what that creepy monster is? It is one of my kind. It's free, but not just any free. It's an 8-legged monster free. Let's place it right here. Then I'm gonna replace the spider's head with an old man's head, because we need him as the main villain of the story. This is already going in the wrong direction, but anyways, I generated this image of, I don't know what this is, but yeah, I'm just gonna cut it out using the pen tool, because the selection tool doesn't wanna work. And before I lost my sanity, I finished cutting the image using the pen tool. I am going to duplicate it and make a long string, and I'm going to cut it off it to take the shape of the original rope, and then I'm gonna blend it in with his body like it's coming out from the perfect. Then I'm going to mask it from this dog here to make it look like it went through here. And as you can see, the original blue rope, it came back to haunt me for erasing it, so I'm gonna erase it again by painting over it with the dog's cut. And I'm gonna paint the trauma song right on the edges of the rope. Nice. Now let's do the same with the boy's head. Now we have to remove the balloons and replace them with many spiders. So I got the spider image and I'm gonna place them over the balloon. Beautiful. But there is one last thing. He looks like he's riding a roller coaster, not facing the darkest nightmares in your life or dream. So to fix that, I'm gonna cut his mouth and rotate it upside down. Whip it horizontal. Then I'm gonna cover the right space with the color his face. Then I'm gonna blend it together. Perfection. I'm gonna give it a horror tone using the camera raw field. And here is up horror version. Like the video or Epstein spider will kidnap you. Next poster is Luca. Let's erase the original poster. Then I'm gonna place this image of the chopping board right here. Then I got another image of Luca screaming and screaming. I removed him from the background, place him right here. I'm gonna use a lasso tool, cut a piece of him, and I'm gonna place the other hand here. Perfect. After that, I'm gonna place this butcher knife here. But this can't be empty like this. It needs to have the inside of the cut. So I got this image for them. I'm gonna cut part here with the lasso tool and place it here. Beautiful. Now let's add Luca's drop shadow on the chopping board. I'm gonna place the movie title here and polish it with a camera raw field. And here is Luca horror version. Last poster is smufs. So I'm gonna start things with erasing the original poster. Then I'm gonna import an image of Smurfette looking cute. I'm gonna cut his head out using the pen tool. After that, I'm going to flip it horizontal and duplicate it to the other side. I am turning her into a two-headed monster. So let's paint shadows to her new body to give it some depth. I am going to borrow this arm for her new body because I am lazy to draw it manually. I'm gonna place it right here like this and blend it in with a layer. Now I got this image for a cool villainous outfit, and I'm going to steal it from her and place it right and give her a real cleavage. Now, but she is not looking like a hardcore monster here. So to fix that, I'm going to make her red, her eyes black, and I'm gonna make her eyes yellow and give her a purple lipstick with a black outline. Very evil, very nice. Now I'm going to add the title down here and the credits down here. And here is the Smurfs horror version.